Phillies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Victoria. I know it's been a hot minute since I filmed. A lot of shit's happened. I was trying to get an area in my basement all fixed up for you guys. My Noah boy passed away Monday on his birthday. So there was that, knee injuries. Well, I sprained my ankle, you know, good things like that, right? So I have both of April's boxes condensed into one box, and then I just received my premium April box. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through my April box first. It'll just be one of those nice long ass videos, so bear with me. So this is April's. Like I said, it's condensed. Let's see what I have here. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to assume that this is the premium section here first. So first thing that I did receive was the Natasha Denona Cupid Cheek Duo. Okay, and as many of you've seen, this is super gorgeous. You know what, fuck it, we're gonna just go into our face. Okay, so I'm gonna go into this red color here. This is called Glow Cream Rose, and then the highlighter. Just gonna use our fingers. I like cream because it kind of goes on, you know, you get that glow already, goes on a little nicer, especially if you don't have any powder. I have nothing on my face. That looks really pretty, right? And then we're gonna go into, okay, so this highlighter is a powder. I have my brush sets here, and we're gonna use a LaRousse highlighter, LR308. Put that in there, and it, you know, just like all of Natasha Denona's products, nice and buttery. Okay, so that, it's very pretty. Okay, this runs $42. Next up, I have the Endota Hydrating Lip Balm. This is $25. It's organic lip balm, helps from soothe cracked and chapped lips. So this is what it looks like here. Ouch. It's got peppermint oil. You can definitely smell the peppermint. So squeeze that out there. Squeeze. Oh, okay, that came out. Does not taste good. It's like you're licking, you just stuck your tongue inside of a Vaseline jar. But it is nice and thick. It is not sticky, and I feel it kind of like soothing my dry lips. So this is pretty freaking nice. So put that over there. What we have here. Okay, next we have the Dr. Brandt. I know I got the lights on like crazy. So this is the Dr. Brandt eye cream. This motherfucker is $82 goddamn dollars. Fine lines and wrinkles, moisturizes the eye area, fades the appearance of dark circles, and reduces the look of puffiness. So this will be awesome. I've been crying for like 6 days, so I think that this will be really good. So let's put that there. We have this bad boy here, the Mitchell and Peach, English Leaf Body Oil. This is $68. Vitamin E oil, soft and scented, so it's like a scented just body oil. It's very pretty. It almost reminds me of Jo Malone. Very pretty and simple aesthetic. Oh yeah, it smells very pretty. And it's like, it's not like a thick or a thin oil either. Not, maybe a little bit thicker than baby oil. Oh, it's like the baby oil gel. That's what I would say it is. Oh, it smells so good. It's citrusy and just English garden. That's what it just smells like. It is so good. Okay, so we have here next the My Beauty brand and Buy Me Black Liquid Eyeliner. This is $20. They're calling this the Holy Grail because what? Felt tip combined with highly pigmented smudge proof color. Okay, so we're gonna have to give this a go. Okay, so nice felt liner. I am not going to put it on my hands because, again, I didn't think this through. I have oil on my hands, so we're going to try this here in a sec. And then the iconic London Brow Silk. This is $25. I've seen, or I was watching a few YouTube videos of YouTubers use this, and this is what I'm pretty excited about. Everybody's got like the soap brows and everything. I haven't done it. Never have, so this will be as close as I can get. So this is called the Brow Silk with this pretty awesome looking brush that goes with it. Let us see. Create a clear film. Okay, the brush you can do wet or dry, gripping every single hair. So I've never done this before, so y'all bitches that are out there that are definitely more pro, don't judge my ass, okay? So it's so pretty, it's nice and smooth. So I take, you get a little bit and then you sweep up. The funny thing is too, because again, this is a new setup, I don't have any other accompanying cosmetics down here. So you're gonna see my bare brows just brushed up and groomed. And do the tail, and then let's use this tail end to kind of get it to go down. See, I got this little guy right here that I probably need to trim. Okay, so that's really not bad. So I would probably say with Urban Decay, you know, it's almost like a liquid liner, but specifically for your brows, or like if you have the Anastasia Beverly Hills wax pomade and a, you know, very chiseled brush and just fill it out, I think that would be awesome. Here is my base box for April, and I have 5 items in here. So let's do this first one, the Beauty Bakery Sour Ya Doin' eyeshadow palette. Super excited to see these. Make your eyes squint and light up in surprise. Beauty Bakery's got some banging shit. So this is the eyeshadow palette here, and these are the colors. They're so pretty. And in Victoria Fashion, we're going to do a quick eye. And then what I'm going to do now is use this eyeliner from the My Beauty brand. Kind of go into a wing. So there's our dramatic cat eye. I'd say this is a pretty awesome summer clubbing type of eye. And with our brows, Kia Studio Makeup Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Serum. Ooh, okay, this is what it looks like. Very, very pretty. This is $45. Works quickly to reverse the effects of dehydration and loss of elasticity. So let's take a look. Do a little dollopy here on the forehead. I'll tell you what, wherever it goes, it stays on. It is very suggestive looking, so don't judge me. Ooh, and even when you move, you know, like kind of move your fingers around to spread it and everything, it absorbs very, very quickly. Again. Again, we're being mindful of the cheek color. Your skin will be very, very thankful. Yeah, that's all absorbed, and my skin looks like it's nice and glowy. I kind of forgot that there was a teeny bit of the highlighter on there, but even then, like, so we're gonna have to give this a go. This absorbs very, very quickly. I really like this. And then of course with serums, you follow up with moisturizers, okay? Perfect dual. Let us see. Flirtatious Looks Cosmetics. So this is $30. So these are tools, and there's a sponge and then a brush. Base, so paddle shaped brush. This is soft. It feels similar to the original Beauty Blender. I would say that the Beauty Blender is just a teeny bit softer, and it does have a flat side for more precise application of product. And then you have a paddle shaped foundation brush. The brush is very very good quality, actually, very firm. So if and when we do get any face product in here, even in the next box, we'll apply, okay? Aesthetica cream contour kit, $40. Contour cream. Ooh, it comes with a little booklet thing. It even comes with like a little guide for everyone, so that way they can see like the best way to kind of shape their face. All right, how's that look? What do you think? Yeah? Mommy look okay for Mother's Day? All right, and then last but not least, we have Beauty Vault, the Erupt lip set. How do you feel about that, Madison? It's $18.50. Liquid. Oh, it has a liquid matte lipstick and a lip liner. So you think it's going to be like a Kylie Cosmetics type of deal? All right, let us get something to wipe that pretty awesome lip balm on my lips. Feel great, actually. So here's the color. It is a pretty shade of red. I'm assuming, yeah, it's called Erupt. So let us see how sexy this makes our lips. Okay, so just line the whole lip. And then we have the liquid lip here, the same color. It looks like a brighter red. Nice doe foot applicator. It feels good. It's not sticky at all. I can only imagine what this will feel like whenever it's set. Again, this is $18.50. Thanks, you guys. Wait till the next video, and we're going to be talking giveaways, okay? Bye.